Greetings, LNZ 704 students. Our group will be discussing the spread of English from a regional to a global language. The periods of English. Old English, the first period of English, was clearly Germanic in character. Middle English changed to a language where many Germanic aspects were lost, and Romance, in particular French, came in. Early modern English had fixed many of these aspects, and it was clearly different from its Germanic predecessors.
To add on towards global English, English became global because Britain became a powerful nation. British Empire, Britain established colonies in North America, Australia, India, Africa, and the Caribbean. English became the language of schools, government, business, and law. According to with trade, people learned English to communicate in business. With Industrial Revolution, Britain became the world's leading industrial nations. Education, mission schools and colonial schools taught English. Many countries kept English after independence because it united people from different language backgrounds.
Moving on, the three circles of English by Professor Bharat Kachuru divided English uses into three circles. The first circles of English is inner circles. Inner circles, these are countries where English is a native or first language. For example, United Kingdom, United States, Australia, Canada, and New Zealand. The second one is outer circles. Outer circles, these are countries where English is any official or second language. For example, Indian, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Philippines, Papua New Guinea, Kenya, Ghana, Nigeria, and Tanzania. The last three circles of English is expanding circles. Expanding circles, these are countries where English is learned as a foreign language. For example, China, Japan, Korea, and Brazil.
The difference between North American English and American English. Firstly, North American English is a broader term that includes English spoken in the US, Canada, and sometimes part of Mexico. And lastly, the Caribbean English is also spoken there. Whereas American English, it refers specifically to the variety of English spoken in the US, and it has its own spelling, vocabulary, and punctuation. The difference between them, like an example, for North American English, the spelling of color, we use C-O-L-O-R, whereas for American English, we use C-O-L-O-U-R.
To conclude, English has changed greatly over time. It developed through three historical periods. The first one is Old English, the second one is Middle English, and the third one is the early modern English. It spread because of colonization, trade, education, technology, and globalization. Today, English is a global language with many varieties by people from different cultures around the world. Binaka.